Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gwi Ma from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the middle and let's draw a V-shaped point. And then let's bring it down on both sides. Now let's bring it out and up on both sides with a zigzag line. And then let's bring it up on both sides like this. Now we're going to hop into the center and draw the eyes. Let's draw two curves, leaving a large gap in the middle. Then from the top, let's angle it out and up. And bring it back down. Next, in between the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. At the bottom, let's draw two bumps. And then let's curve it up. And then a longer curve up and out from the other line. Now from the inside line, let's bring it down. Curve it out and down. And one more curve out to the end to close off each eyebrow. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop back in and finish drawing the body. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a zigzag line across. And bring it up and back down. Now let's draw a longer angle up to the top. Bring it down with a wavy line. Up and down again. And then on each side, let's draw a few teardrop shapes. Now at the bottom, let's add a point up and down. And then a few more. And curve it up at the bottom. Now top over to the right side and let's bring it down from the top. A wavy line up. And bring it all the way back down. And don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. You can also follow your own pattern. Now from the bottom, let's bring it up with a long wavy line up to the top right. And bring it down again. And let's add a few more going out to the right side. Now on top, let's add a few teardrop shaped patterns like this. Now to continue the right side, let's bring it down with a bumpy line. Bring it up and down again. And then let's curve it back in to the bottom with a zigzag line. And let's do the same on the other side. Now let's add a long line across the bottom. And now on the bottom corners, let's draw a zigzag line out and down on both sides. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the mouth. Let's start in the center and let's draw a large V-shaped point. And now let's bring it up and out on both sides with a zigzag line. Now from both ends, let's bring it down. And bring it back to the center with another zigzag line on each side. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the nostrils by drawing two curves. And another curve on top of each one. And that's it for Gwi Ma. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!